Hi and welcome back to the channel where I am super excited to tell you all about an exclusive partnership between this channel and Swytch, who make the ultimate e-bike conversion kit. What this promotion will allow you to do is order your kit online without joining the waiting list, benefit from incredible discounts and receive this Cosmo Connect smart helmet worth over £100 free of charge. Stay tuned, I'll tell you all about this, all about the Go Plus and how to place your order. Now let's kick things off by talking about Swytch. Since they launched their first e-bike conversion kit a good number of years ago, they've established themselves brilliantly in the market, and for good reason. They make a product that works. So the concept is straightforward. You take the bike that you love. You don't want to replace it with an e-bike, totally understand that. Take the bike you love that maybe has the gears and all the components that you've invested in already, and you just want to be able to upgrade it. That's where the Swytch Kit comes in. This is the Go Plus. You connect it to your frame here and then you connect it to a motor inside the front wheel hub. So as you pedal, it senses how hard you're working and then sends a similar amount of power to the front wheel, so you end up with a two-wheel drive bike. This has a range of up to 40 miles, so it can help you on those steep hills on any bike ride. There are multiple versions available. You've got the Go Plus and you've got the versions that go on the handlebars up here, all of which have exactly the same versatility. This is a great product and I would recommend it all day long. But to enhance that, we have this. This is the Cosmo Connected helmet, and it consists of two elements. You have the smart bit, I'll tell you about that in a moment, and then the helmet itself. Now, you've been forgiven for thinking the helmet looks a bit more like a skateboard helmet than a bike helmet, and there's a good reason for that. It's because this is designed to a much higher safety standard than your standard bike helmet, which means if you fall off at higher speed, which let's face it, it's much likelier when you're on an e-bike, you have a much greater chance of not being injured. So every e-bike rider needs a helmet like this. But the second part of it is where it gets really exciting. Now the Cosmo Connected, you power up just by plugging a USB-C in for a little while. Once it's up to power, then you just hold your finger on the power button here and it comes to life. You then pair it with the Cosmo app. Really, really simple. You just download the app, create an ID and pair the two devices. And if I show you what I can see on my phone from the app, it's quite cool, the functionality this thing gives you. Now, as you can see on my screen here, I've now paired and connected my Cosmo Connect to the app. Now, you've got a number of options here. You can start to record a trip straight away. Now, you see what comes up there I really like, is it says I've not recorded a Guardian Angel yet, so I have to register a Guardian Angel. What that means is that built into this, there is crash detection. So if you do have a fall, the device will automatically tell your phone to ring the contact that you've set up as your Guardian Angel to say that you need help and share your location, which is in itself pretty brilliant. Now, one of the reasons the fall detection works is it has motion detection built into the device. So, for example, if you're riding and you come to a stop quickly, the brake light comes on. Now, let me just do that again. So it senses that you're changing speed, which I think is brilliant in itself because it tells other road users or people behind you that you're slowing down before they necessarily hit the back of you. But you've also got added functionality. If I show you back of my control panel, you've got the option to start your trip, look at some of the stats, look at your map, but also you've got the icon there which brings up the controls for the device. So I can turn the light on or off. I can put on warning lights, so if I'm stopping, I can share that, or if I just want it to flash when I'm riding, just so I'm more visible. Or you've got indicators, so you can let the people behind you know whether you're going left or right. So it might seem like a simple little thing on the back of your helmet, but that will really help other road users and keep you super safe. So that is the Cosmo Connected. Now, as I mentioned at the start of the video, this is an exclusive partnership. So if you click in the link of this video, you'll find that it will take you to an exclusive referral order form for my channel. On there, you can order any of the Swytch kits. You specify your bike type, whether it's a foldable bike or a hybrid like this, and they will give you the kit that best suits it. And for every order, you will get one of these free of charge. Again, worth over £100, and you'll miss out the waiting list. And you'll still get the promotional discount. It's a fantastic offer, so don't miss out on this opportunity. And you'll be supporting my channel by placing any orders. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for joining me today. And of course, ride safe. Take care. See you soon.